Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a half double crochet, or in English terminology, a half treble crochet. So let's start by chaining 12. This is just a random number. You don't have to chain 12, but I'm just going to do it to start with because it's a nice easy number to do when learning how to do a half double crochet. So if you don't know how to chain, I have done a video tutorial on how to do it, so just go watch that and then come back here to learn how to do a half double crochet. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So once you have done 12 chains, we're going to skip the first two and start working into the third chain from the hook. If I've been going a bit quickly, just rewind the video or slow it down. So we're going to start working in the third chain from the hook. So that chain right there. So we're going to yarn over, so wrap the yarn around your hook like that. So let's do that again. If you need to do that again, just replay it even slower. So we're going to start working in the third chain. So 1, 2, 3. So in that one right there. So now we're going to go into it like you would for a single crochet. So now we've got 3 loops on the hook. We're now going to yarn over. So we're going to go over like that and twist our hook and pull it through. So now we're going to yarn over again, so we're going to pull through all 3 like that. And that is one half double crochet done. So we're going to yarn over again, so wrap around the hook. We're going to go into the next stitch. Now we're going to yarn over, twist the hook and pull it through that first stitch. Now we're going to do it again. Yarn over, twist the hook, and we're going to pull through all 3. Whoop, like that. Except for you don't lose your your hook at the end. So we've now done 2. I'm going to repeat that again. Yarn over into the next stitch. Yarn over, twist the hook, pull through the first stitch. Yarn over, twist, pull through all 3. So we're going to keep doing that. If you still haven't got the hang of it, don't worry. Just keep replaying the video, keep trying until you've got it. If you think you've had enough, just take a break and then come back. Because it takes time learning crochet, but once you get the hang of it, it begins to get really easy. And you can make so many projects with it. It's amazing. Okay, so we're going to keep going all the way to the end. Of course, if I'm going too fast, just wind back to the slower bit and just keep going over that until you've got the hang of it. Okay, so now we've got to the end of the chain. We are going to chain 1 like that. Actually, because half double crochet is a bigger stitch, you might want to chain 2. So let's just chain 2. I mean, you could chain 1, but it will make your stitching more tight. Okay, so now we've chained 2. We're going to yarn over as normal, but this time we're going to twist our work. So we've yarned over, we're going to twist this like that. and we're going to start working into that V. So ignore the 2 chains there, we're going to start working into that V. So we're going to go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, just like that. Do that again, yarn over, into the V, yarn over, pull through all 3, like that. So the thing about half double crochet is that it also makes V's on the side, so don't get mixed up, because sometimes you might accidentally go onto the V on the edge here instead of the V at the top, so make sure to look out for that. So we're going to yarn over and pull through. Okay, so now we're at the end. You can just keep going, chain 2, turn your work, and then carry on going. Or you could fasten off. So to fasten off, just pull that so you've got a nice big loop here. We're going to get some scissors, and we're going to just cut the yarn, and then we're going to pull the end of the loop until the yarn is out. And that's how you fasten off. And there we go. That is how you do half double crochet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you persevere with crochet because you definitely won't regret it. Bye!